So the next paragraph where we are going to fill in the demonstrative adjective. So the topic here is gut, that is the taste. Tu écoutes, you listen dash music. So now we know we have to look at the noun music. Now is this masculine or feminine, singular or plural? It is feminine singular. So we use sit. The next sentence, tu aimes dash amateur. Now here we see that the noun begins with a vowel. So we use sit. So very simple, right? The next one, tu connais dash roman. Now the noun here is roman. It is masculine singular. So we use sa. Tu connais ce roman? Next, tu lis dash journal. Now the noun is journal, and from this ending we can see that it is in the plural form. So c'est. Tu lis ce journal? Finally, the last one, tu préfères dash musicien. Now again the noun is here. You can see that it is in the plural form. So what do we fill in here? It is c'est. So once again read this along with me. Good. Tu écoutes cette musique? Tu aimes cet amateur? Tu connais ce roman? Tu lis ces journaux? Tu préfères ces musiciens? So music is feminine singular, so we chose set. Amateur begins with a vowel, so we choose C-E-T, set. Roman is masculine singular, so we choose sa. Journal is in the plural form, so we choose c'est. Finally, musicien is also in the plural form, so again we choose c'est. So this is how we write the demonstrative adjective. We just look at the noun. If it is masculine, we write either sa or set. Feminine, it is set, and plural, it is c'est.